We'll guide you through how to animation text type in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Once the Start menu opens, look for Google Chrome by typing its name into the search bar and launch Google Chrome on your computer from the search results. After the browser loads completely, click the address bar, type Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results page, click on the official Figma website to continue. Before proceeding, ensure you have already logged into your Figma account so you can access your projects and editing tools. After signing in successfully, the Figma main page will load in your browser. At this point, you can either start a new design or continue working on an existing project from the recent section. For this tutorial, we will select a previous project. Click the desired project from a list, and the edit page of your project will open on the screen. Once the project is loaded, click on the available text layer that you want to animate. To prepare the text for animation, place it inside a frame by pressing Shift+ on your keyboard. This will apply auto layout and create a frame around the selected text. Next, click the text layer again to ensure it remains selected. After selecting it, tap on the Actions tool and then choose Plugins and Widgets from the menu that appears. In the search field, type Typist and select the plugin from the search results. Click Run to launch the plugin. When the Typist plugin window opens, locate the Type By setting and change it to Letter, so the animation will reveal the text one character at a time. After that, select Create Component to generate the animated text component. Once the component has been created, right-click on the first letter of the generated component and choose Copy. Next, return to your original text layer, right-click on it, and select Paste to replace. To verify that everything is working correctly, click the Preview button located in the top right corner of the Figma interface. The preview window will open, and your text animation will begin playing automatically, allowing you to see the typing effect in action.